Hey guys! In today's video, I will be sharing my first attempt at trying to make a peony flower, and I'll be showing you how it went. So I started by painting a bouquet with watercolors. You can find a digital download of this watercolor bouquet and also an outline of it on my Patreon page. For this card, I used paper strips between 3 and 5 millimeters wide, 130 GSM weight. But you can use up to 160 GSM weight, whatever width you prefer working with. So I begin by making the stamens of the peony flower. For this, I used 3 millimeters wide paper strips. I want my flower to look like it has depth, so that is why I used 3 millimeters wide paper strips for the stamens and 5 millimeters wide paper strips for the flower petals, as you will see very soon. To make the petals of the peony flower, I first loosened the tenseness of the paper strip. This will allow me to fold the paper easier. Then I start making tiny folds, curly looking, to imitate the sort of jagged look of the peony petals. This is my first time trying to make this flower, so I hope you will excuse my imperfections. I enjoyed trying to make it. Then here, I'm cutting the top corners of the petal so that when I glue the petal next to the stamens, there won't be a difference between the two sizes of paper strips that I used for these elements. The petals will look like they're deepening towards the stamens, creating a depth effect. You'll see that as I start gluing them one by one. Here, I'm continuing by making the larger petals of the peony in a similar way to the smaller ones. I didn't add anything else inside the petals of the peony because I wanted to give the flower a more airy look and make it stand out amongst the other little flowers that I made around it, which you will see very soon. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you were able to learn something new by seeing my own experience in trying to make the lovely peony flower and the other little flowers surrounding it. Until next time, happy quilling!